Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool. You will need your device. You will need to find the SIM card and SD card slot here on the right border of your device. You have to put your tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out, and here you have to put your SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, now it requires a pin for my SIM card, which is the proof for that SIM card is read. Let's see, enter my pin, and as you can see, there's also a notification that SD card found on this device, and which is the proof that SD card is read too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.